Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. 702 from Las Vegas to you. David, come back at you one more time. Thanks once again for stopping by my channel. Today, we're checking out the Elara. It's a Hilton Grand Vacation Resort located just off the fabulous Las Vegas Strip. I'm talking a block off the Las Vegas Strip. Right behind Planet Hollywood and the Miracle Mile shops. I think you're going to like this room. You know, it's always been my goal to provide the traveler important information to help them make better decisions when they plan their travel, but I have a secondary goal, and that's to bring you amazing content, to master the editing process, and to learn as I go. I always want to make my content entertaining and fun, and I hope you indulge me because I have a 2-minute intro that's something funky. Let's get to it. Cheers, no, Merry Christmas. .702 from Las Vegas to you. David coming back at you, boys and girls, one more time from fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. That's right, our hometown. We're doing a staycation on the Strip once again, boys and girls. Even during COVID, we're still trying to travel, see some sights, and stay safe. This time, we're coming at you from the Elara. That's right, the Elara Grand Vacations, located just off the Strip, right behind Planet Hollywood. I think you're going to like this place. So far, I've been pretty impressed. Let's check out the rooms. We're staying in a 1-bedroom suite, boys and girls. This is room 3621, the 36th floor. And as always during COVID times, I like this right here. Check it out. They got the little safety seal letting you know that this room was cleaned for you recently. Let's check it out. First off, I want to apologize. I had the wrong focus setting on my DJI Pocket Osmo, and so it is a little blurry. So I apologize for that. Hopefully that won't affect you too much. Let's check it out. Very nice stainless steel refrigerator, ice machine on one side, plenty of room. Over here, these are our own goodies that we brought. Check it out. My Rogue Double Chocolate Stout. If you guys ever have a chance to try that, the best beer in the world. Moving on, checking up. Plenty of room up here. You probably won't need anything to store up here, but if you do, love the doors automatically close like that. All the dishes you need, cups, glasses, silverware. It was all. Oh, they do not include that. And once again, that is my stuff. Paper towels for you. Got a toaster. Got a coffee maker. Got a microwave, and actually it's I have an induction oven in case you need it right there. Electric stove. Don't know how much cooking you'll do here, but you might have some leftovers. Check it out. Nice knife set. So if you do bring leftovers home, there you go. Heat them up. Just about everything you could ever ask for. And there you go. So what I did like about it is they wash the dishes for you right before you get in the room. As you can see, my lens fogged up, but everything's super clean. All right there. Make sure it is fresh and ready for you. I do enjoy that because you never know how dirty those dishes may be, or even a silverware sitting in the drawer. So, bottle opener in case you bring some drinks like I did. Wine opener. There you go. Pots and pans. Once again, a full kitchen. Anything you need to make some stuff, you got it right there. Coming out, here's the kitchen table. Got a nice bucket right there. So plenty of room to sit down and dine with 4 people. Alright, transitioning over to the living area right here. Very nice open space. Got a closet here. Inside the closet, extra extra blanket, luggage rack, ironing board, iron, more hanging space. Little recessed lighting right here, super cool. Minimally decorated, not too bad. Nice artwork coming across. Check out that view right there. A little L sectional couch. Got your TV right there. Of course, during these times, they give you hand wipes. They say they clean your TV remote control. Got a sound bar. Now, this is a no smoking room, but most rooms in Vegas are non-smoking. So, a little view of the whole layout right there. L-shaped sectional. This does turn out into a couch. So, if you have other people, this is a 1-bedroom, but it's got a couch that pulls out. You know, could definitely sleep some kids or friends. Looking out the windows, we're looking to the north. The link is right over there. There's the Eiffel Tower. And check that out. Blackout curtains, that's right. But wait, they're not just blackout curtains. They also double as a screen. That's right. Check it out. They got a projector. You can totally project the TV right onto those blinds. So super cool. We watched a football game. That was awesome. So let's head over to the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom unit. Coming inside, you have a king bed, little workstation area, TV on the wall for you, remote controls, DVD player. Once again, the controls have been sanitized during lovely COVID-19. Great bed, slept awesome on this thing. Love those fluffy pillows. Had a good time. Very comfortable. It was a very quiet room. Couldn't hear other noise. You don't hear doors banging. Of course, the highlight for us is the jacuzzi tub. Very deep, perfect for 2 people. Pop back. Got the TV in the room. Just watch the TV. Nice little. Got great jets and bubbles. Of course, got a wand feature right here. We love our rooms with jacuzzi. That's right. How do you... I'm trying to figure out how to operate this. Boom. There you go, David. Turn on the hot water. Let's get this puppy going. Up or down. There you go. So we put this to use a lot. Really love the jacuzzis in the room. It's great for relaxing, especially in Las Vegas. You do a lot of walking in Las Vegas. Once again, if you find my content helpful, if it really made your day, provided you some great incentives, provided some great information in making your hotel reservations, please hit that like and subscription button for me right down the lower right. Click that sub button, click that like notification, and click that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload brand new content. If you are interested in other off-strip properties, make sure you stick around to the last 20 seconds of the video where I will have a link on the video where you can click to see a playlist of many other Las Vegas properties located off the strip that you may be interested in your next Vegas vacation. Alright, finally got to go and took a little while, but let's step into the bathroom while that's filling up. Nice big shower right here, folks. Once again, I was impressed at how clean and relatively new everything was. Very nice. Right to the left of the shower, of course, you have the bathroom stall. Dual vanity sink. Once again, sorry for the focus here, but plenty of bath and body lotion, shampoo. Coming back into the bedroom, you got your master bedroom closet right here. Room safe. Pretty standard in most Vegas hotels right now. Plenty of hangers. Looking back towards the bathroom, the jacuzzi, once again the bedroom, and over once again to the right, beautiful view right here. I love the floor-to-ceiling windows. Drawers to put all your clothes in. Computer station right there to the left. We enjoyed our stay at the Elara. Very nice hotel. Everything was new, clean, affordable. Of course, the blackout drapes in the bedroom. It's one thing I love about Vegas. They have a lot of blackout drapes in the rooms for those long nights when you need to sleep in. It's always sunny in Vegas. Always gets pretty bright in Las Vegas. Just in closing, wanted to show you the pool. It is a very large pool. Some great open space, tons of sun. You don't have any other buildings casting shadows. Lots of cabanas. And it's not a party pool, but sometimes they do have DJs in the summertime. And of course, here is the lobby, check-in area. Lots of space for social distancing. They do have a really big store in there, so in case you need some goodies, some snacks, some drinks, they'll be able to take care of you. Another great thing about this is they have a Starbucks. So right there in front of us, there's a Starbucks. And if you go through these doors, you walk right into the Miracle Mile shops. Tons of dining choices there and some great shops. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, boys and girls. It was a pleasure staying at the Elara. You know, one of the things I really enjoyed about staying there is the expedited check-in process. The fact that you can drive right in, very easy, drop off your luggage, valet right at the door. I also love that it's not a casino. You don't have to walk through a casino to get to your room. It's very quick and easy to get up into your room. It's a very quiet and clean hotel. It has amazing views. The room was spectacular. Loved it. And I also loved it had a projection theater. That's right, the blackout shades that would drop down to block out the sunlight has a projector, and you can project the TV right onto the wall. That was pretty cool. We watched a football playoff game there while we were there. That was fun. Also love the jacuzzi in the bedroom. Really, really nice to relax in there. TV in the bedroom, just sit back, have a drink, enjoy the warm water and watching that sunset out the big floor-to-ceiling windows. Love that as well. I really had a good time at the Elara, and I think you would too. I want to thank you for your love and support of my channel, boys and girls. This has been an amazing month. That's right. I have grown over 28 subscriptions this month. And again, I know that's not a lot for some people, but for my channel in my niche, it's really, really good. And I appreciate all your love and support. If you like my videos, if you find them entertaining, please hit that like and subscription button right there. Please click that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload brand new content.